And you did check the breaker, right?
Yes. Okay. But it's on right now. Do you want me to turn it off?
Yeah, go ahead and turn it off. Yeah. All right, guys. You see we have a GE monogram and profile, basically the same unit. Now, on the left and right side, you're going to have your switches, and also on the right side, you'll have your fuse. Now, pay attention to your screws. Put a little mark or take pictures so you can get them back in the right position or location. Now, we'll be removing the entire top. Pretty straightforward. And you do have two covers. The first initial one exposed the magnetron and the other components, but you're really going to have to remove the entire top. Now we're checking this fuse thermostat, and he is good. In your case, if he was not good or no continuity, you would replace him. Now, you can do a slight reset on these. Go ahead and stick it in your freezer for 24 hours and then take it back out. It will reset and you're good to go. It's your free tip. Now, this one has a burnt wire. Now, burnt wire, you do not want to reuse it. It will not work. And so the part will have to be trimmed or the entire harness has to be replaced. Now, the way we're going to do this repair was a last minute repair. Customer actually was trying to fix their unit, and I got there and was able to get them up and running. So you will need a replacement part, meaning the wire if yours is damaged, and it will have to be trimmed and should be soldered, but you can use wire nuts, which is totally fine. And you strip the wires and connect them with the wire nut. Now your actual connection that goes onto the thermostat or fuse, you want to make sure that it's nice and snug. Has to be tight. Just like that is. And then you can remove it and put your wire nut on. Once you've gotten the wire nut on, you want to make sure you add some electrical tape. And that's going to protect the joints. Just in the event of something were to come off, everything will still be there and everything's nice and safe. So from here on now, it's just pretty much just taping up, putting on your connection and put the cover back on, put the screws back in, and then reintroduce the unit back to its home. And then we're done. Always double check your joints or your connection. Make sure it's nice and tight. You can do a slight tug, nothing crazy, just to make sure that you have a solid connection. Now, we're getting ready to put the top on. Now, once the top is on, you want to go ahead and install the initial cover, which is the large one. Showing the customer here. I like that.
Oh, yay!
All right. She's back to life. Now you have to make sure your unit is plugged in before you install it. So most times they will have the plug in the back. So plug it in and then you lift it into place. Now that's your initial cover. Secure well. You're going to make sure you have all your screws marked already so you know where they go. You don't have mismatched screws all over the place. Now the back portion, you're going to have, I think, 3 screws. 2 on the end and 2 in the center towards the back. Make sure that you leave those off, and then you'll use the top portion and secure the back portion. So basically the cap, that cover right there, yep, you're going to have the screws in the back, and then that will secure the back portion, and also 2 also on the side of the unit. You'll see 2 holes. That's where you're going to secure the cover. And of course, I think 3 of them up top. All right. Now, once the unit is now back in its home or location, you're going to have probably 4 screws. I think 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. Make sure you secure those, and that secures the unit from accidentally coming out. Very light chance of it, but they're there for a reason, so go ahead and secure your units. And I think we are done here. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.